Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of chickens are bred and processed for meat and eggs.
The feed is scientifically balanced, with every ingredient carefully selected for optimal growth and maximum egg production.
Every chick is carefully monitored to ensure health, safety, and quality.
Every product is thoroughly checked before leaving the facility. And that's how millions of chickens are bred and processed for meat and eggs, FactoryXposed, from start to finish.